Hey dolls, so I'm back with another makeup tutorial and I have the beautiful model Beatrice here again, and this look is just basically a violet bluish color from the JUVIAS eyeshadow palette, sorry. And I just got it at Ulta and it's absolutely gorgeous and I can't wait to show you how I achieved this look. And yeah, so stay tuned. So I used the JUVIAS eyeshadow palette and I absolutely love this palette. It's just, the best word I can describe is queenly or royal. It's just, the colors are just so rich and they just remind me of some kind of, you know, some kind of queen. I don't know how best to describe it, but it's absolutely beautiful, and this is the best like eyeshadows I've ever had to work with in terms of like pigmentation. It's super pigmented, you don't need to apply so much, and that's what I like, and it's super silky as well, like a velvet texture. So I really love it and I'll definitely recommend, and I'll put the links down below for where you can purchase it. I got mine at Ulta. So if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Also, let me know in the comment section what type of makeup tutorial you want to see next. And I guess grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's get this makeup video started. Thank you so much, dolls. So I've primed her skin off camera and that's why you see those white flakes. I've also done her brows and now I'm just cleaning them up and highlighting underneath. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and using one of the colours in there that I just showed you as her transition colour, and I'm going to apply that at the top right under the brow bone, and I love that colour. It's just super rich and pretty. So I'm taking the JUVIAS palette and using that dark colour I just showed you, and I'm putting that right under the transition colour and blend, blend, blend. You just really need to blend it. So next I am taking this MAC eyeshadow. I'm going to use this MAC eyeshadow and I believe it's in Bark, and I'm just going to use it to just intensify the colour around the crease. I don't even know why I did this, but it just comes together, just, you know, because as I told you from the beginning, I'm freestyling everything. So I really don't know why I did this, but I guess I'm trying to like do the cut crease. I don't know why I did it, but everything comes together in the end, I promise you. I was just freestyling. I didn't have a plan in my head of what I was doing. So I'm taking the JUVIAS palette and I'm using the violet colour that is in there, and it's basically like if blue and purple had a baby, that's what they will make. And I'm just lightly patting it on her lid, and it's just such a rich colour, but it also leaves a lot of fallout. That's what you can see under the eye, so you have to really keep going in and cleaning under the eye with eyeshadow. Well, with wipes. So I'm going to take my MAC. Can't remember the name of this black eyeshadow, but it's the only black matte eyeshadow they have, and I'm going to intensify. You can use any black eyeshadow, but I love this one. I'm going to intensify the corners to give it that smoky, smoked out look. You want to wipe away all the fallout. I forgot to show you the colour, but I used a colour on the same palette from JUVIAS, and I'm just putting that kind of magenta-ish pink colour around the crease area. So I'm going to do some foundation, and today we're using the Black Opal foundation stick. I love this because it's so creamy. And we're just going to blend out the foundation, and I love how buttery and creamy this foundation is, and it's just so easy to blend. It's just so butter-like and creamy, so I love it a lot. So we're just going to blend that out and blend it into the neckline, and also just time for lashes. So I'm using the LA Pro concealer, and this concealer is just bomb. You know that I swear by this concealer. I'm using it in Fawn, and oh my god, this concealer is like amazing for the price, and it's only at the very most $3, more than $3, like at least. Now this is my concealer trick. I always use like a little bit of a light colour to just really over highlight. I love that super under eye highlight, so I'm never going to give that look up. So I'm using the black opal foundation stick, and I actually use it, as I said before, as a contour, and I take the darkest shade they have in this and I just contour her with it, and it's amazing because it's so buttery and creamy and it blends in so well. And I'm also using my ELF stippling brush to just now under her eyes. I'm gonna add I don't even know what color it was, but I just added a darker color just to give it a more, I used a transition color just to give it. So off camera I applied some powder under her eyes to set her under eye concealer, and now I'm going to be applying lipstick, and I'm going to start by lining her lips with MAC Cosmetics Chestnut. Oh my god, I just said chestnut. I need coffee. So chestnut lip liner, and this is gorgeous on every single woman of color and just women for any race actually. It goes really nice. It's a nice brownish color and it just is gorgeous, and I use it to line her lips, especially if I want a natural nude look. This is my daily look. I always wear this lip liner with every single nude lipstick I have. It just goes really nice, and it does look nice with pinks and even reds, I've heard. So definitely get this. It's just a must-have in your makeup bag. Is Chestnut by MAC, and I go through them so fast because I use it literally every day. So I'm on the lookout for a dupe that's more affordable and can be used every day without breaking the bank. So I've let the under eye banana powder sit underneath her eye for a bit as I was doing the lips. So before I put the lipstick in, I'm just going to brush it off and blend everything out because I've let it sit, and I'm just going to brush everything off and blend. As I'm brushing, I'm kind of blending at the same time. So dust it off, not brush, sorry, dust it off. You want to do that really lightly. We don't brush, we dust. So just dust that all off, and as you can see, she just looks completely seamless and flawless, and everything is blended out. And I'm gonna be going back to the lips while we're doing this. I'm just letting it, you know, blend out nicely. So she looks super flawless already, and we're not even done. So next I'm going to be applying lipstick, and I'm going to be using MAC Spirit lipstick, and this is just a gorgeous color, a nice nude shade for women of color, and it looks amazing on me, so I know it always looks amazing on her when I apply it on her. It's just a super natural nice nude for her skin tone and many women of color like myself. So she's just blending it out. So I'm taking the NYX lip gloss, sorry, not lipstick, and I'm going to be, and it's in the color London, and I'm just going to be going over the lips, and it's just a beautiful color, this London, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. Lips look really full and plump, and it's a nice nude at the same time. So next I'm going to take my all-time favorite lip gloss, which is by Eyes, Face and Lips ELF, and it's in the color Fairy. And Fairy, look, as I said with many of these products, Fairy looks good on everyone. It's a nice universal lip gloss, and it plumps your lips. Don't you see like how her lips look super plump now? I mean, she already has naturally plump lips, but this Fairy just gives you that super done look that is just amazing for $1. So after doing that with the Fairy, applying Fairy, I'm going to go back in with my Chestnut by MAC lip liner and just kind of blend everything together and just cancel all of I just did basically. Can we just take a moment and admire this beauty right here? So next I'm going to be taking Fenty Beauty their highlighter, and this is Rihanna's company, as a lot of you know, and I'm just going to be buffing that into her cheekbones and making her cheeks pop and highlight. And this, I just love using Fenty Beauty. Every makeup tutorial just has to come in. It's definitely my favorite line of highlighters for sure. She just got that down. No other company comes close right now. And I'm going to just apply it on her nose, a little bit on the bridge, some on the chin and on her forehead as well. Super pretty and just love it. So it's her favourite time, Fix Spray by NYX, and we're just going to spray and set the makeup. She did really good not flinching this time, because normally everyone, including Beatrice, flinches when it comes to spraying the Fix Spray. So she did good. She knew I was about to spray. And we're done. Here is the finished look. I absolutely love this eyeshadow. Love the whole look, even the lips, how they go with the eyeshadow. It just flows really nicely. I just am super proud of my work here. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a big fat thumbs up, as I said earlier on. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you liked about this makeup tutorial, and I'll see you dolls in the next video. Also, let me know what type of makeup tutorial you want to see me next, and the most popular commented or voted down below will be the next one I do. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you dolls soon. Also follow me on Instagram, and I'll put my information right here, and also the model, I'll put that down below as well, and her name is Beatrice. I'm going to put all our information down below. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, love you dolls, bye.